Hello, students, wherever you are. This is my first video in English. Um, well, as you see, I have two data sets, and I would like to open one of them. So this is about consumer boycotts toward consumer boycotts of French products. Yeah, years ago, or maybe 1 or 2 or 3 years ago. I don't remember exactly when when the French president mentioned something about relating to or or when he said something and well, according to some Muslims around the world, what he said was inappropriate, and then there was a movement to boycott the products. In Indonesia itself, there was a movement, but it's very small, yeah, but very small, and it didn't impact the sales of the products, I guess. But however, this is the study of my students, yeah. I, of course, under my supervision. So this is we have this data set. We have this religiosity with 4 indicators, and then attitude with 7 indicators, subjective norms, perceived behavioral control, animosity, and purchase intention or buying intent or boycott intention. Yeah. So let's see what would we get. So this the students absolutely they applied uh, the theory of plan of behavior theory. Yeah. So the first thing I do is to inspect how many students, how many participants. So we have 212. Yeah, we have two. Okay, so let me. So this is the value. Maybe value already. So actually, this one is okay. So this is semantic. Yeah, for attitude, they use semantic scale. Well, let me hit. Commonly, what I do is, you know, conducting reliability tests. Oh, string attach, string attach. So we have to change first. Let's see, Look, this one is. I mean, these indicators, this scale has, these scales has have been, have been coded, but part of this, yeah, the attitude still. So the things we can do is one is to one. This one, yeah. This is bike. It means good, bad, fair, unfair. So good. Oh, okay. So I change this to good, and the last one is bad. Okay, and then this one. So the questionnaire is in Bahasa Indonesia. So we change this. I'm sorry. The second one is so we change. And then this one is unfair. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Yeah, you can see after I decode, then this one is effective. Okay, positive, and then this one turn to positive, whereas the second one negative. Um, menguntungkan, it's a bene- beneficial. Oh, let me check what is the opposite of beneficial. Harmless, yeah, harmless. Sorry. Let me check the. Let me check the harmful. Oh, okay. So back to here. Seven is harmful. Yeah, and then fun and seven not fun. Not fun. It means boring. Not boring. Menyenangkan. Sad. Okay. Let's do not fun. Okay. Make it easy. Not fun. And then the last one. Nah, bermanfaat. It's useful. I think double L. And then unuseful. Okay. Let me check. Let me check. Unfavorable. Oh, okay. Profitable. No, we're not using useful. Okay. Beneficial. Okay. Uh, useless. Okay. Useful and useless. All right. Okay. I just hit this save button, and then let me check again. All right. Then this one actually we need to replace, yeah, with number two to make sure it's, I don't know, but it's still, the number is still there. Okay, the best thing to do is actually we need to, wait a second. Let me okay. Let me try this one. We go to numeric. Okay. Or we start from here. If we succeed with the first row, and then we go there, we go here. Okay. So I mean, we have coded, and then this one, I mean this one's, yeah, still there. It is okay, and the the value, the values of this item do not change. Yeah, so we can apply the same way. We can apply the same way to others. Okay, but however, do not save yet. Yeah, go to analyze and then dimension reduction and then factor. Okay, try with the first religiousity. Oh yeah, before we start, I think it is better if we make this coding, these codes, as simple as possible, because later we would uh, we are going to use structural equation model. For example, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, 6, 7. Subjective norms, we use SN1, for example, SN2, SN3. Okay. We got intention. I use only B. All right. So we have 12 indicators, yeah, for boycott intention. Do not worry, all things in Indonesian, in Bahasa Indonesia, will be translated later. Okay, let's save and then go to analyze and then back to this calculation. Religiosity, just send to the right column and then option, click, hit this and then change point 1 to point 4 and then continue and then rotation. We use direct oblique, change this to 40 and then continue and then hit OK. So we have one component for this data validation, this construct, and then we, okay, so I have this, paste to a new page, and then let it be, and back to the second round for religiosity and then attitude. Okay, everything's we made, we hit on the right side will be stay as long as our machine still on. Just hit OK and then look, still I have one component. It means this dimension, the first two dimension do not have any, sorry, the first two variables do not have any uh, dimension. Okay, and then we go to the third one, subjective norms, still component, and then copy, and then oops, sorry, back to here, and then repeat one by one to all of the variable applied in the study component matrix. Okay, just in case, in your case, if you have a data set, you probably would not find only component matrix but also, for example, pattern matrix. Yeah, pattern matrix, if pattern matrix appeared, it means that your your construct has more than one component. Yeah. So it means that your construct has dimension. Go back to here. Look at this. Yeah, this one I have component matrix, but since I have another one which is pattern matrix, and then we focus on pattern matrix. Yeah, so it means we can see that this animosity variable has two components. It means it has two dimensions. But however, since uh, this construct or this variable has this case, so it means it says that this indicator, yeah, indicator number 4 has a cross loading. So we, what we can do is to, to return or to kick out this indicator. So this is the way, yeah, send back to the left column and then hit OK. So we can see the different, yeah. The second round for animosity variable, it doesn't have pattern matrix, yeah. And now we have very clean validation. Okay. Oops. Still, and then return all of them, and this is B. Since we have 12, so we have a probability to have more than one component. Yeah. Click C, pattern matrix. So it has three components, but see what's going on here. Okay, this one is solo, so we have to kick out. Yeah, kick out. And then these two are cross-loading. We have to kick them out, but do it one by one. So I prefer to check it out. B10, yeah, B10, 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 and then hit pattern matrix and see. Previously we have three components, and now we only have two components. But check it out down here. Ooh, ooh. See, very clear. We have two components without cross-loading and without solo individual indicators. But bit number 8 can be a problem, but it's very little problem. So why? Because this one has no factor loadings. Yeah. So it means we just simply erase it. Okay. So guys, I think everything is sorted out for the data validation test, but still we need to do something. Put another column on the right side. Since this will be your report, yeah, part of your report, so make it nicely. Okay, do the same thing. Well, this is a little story about why I do in English because I got some messages, yeah, from yeah, some people out there suggesting me to run video in English. So this is my first attempt. Well, actually, in the beginning, when I started my YouTube, I dedicated my video only for my people. But maybe it is true to start doing this for bigger audience. Who knows? Some of you out there needs another alternate video, as I realize actually many video out there doing the same thing like I do. Okay, the second step of your data analysis is to make this Cronbach's alpha, yeah, Cronbach's alpha test. Cronbach's alpha, yeah. We said it is. We say it is reliability test. Okay, the first one we go for the first construct to test. Please observe the step is as usual. We go to analyze and then scale, hit scale and reliability analysis. the first variable is religiosity, and then just move them to the right column, and then click hit statistics. Just in case we need them, just hit this three button. We check these boxes and then continue and see what happens. Okay, since this Chromebax alpha value is very high, so we we just ignore this one. 9927. Yeah. Okay, just let it be, and then we move to the second construct. Second construct, I believe, if you still remember, there's everything survives. Yeah. Analyze and scale and reliability test, and then change the statements. Go here. Oh, we just hit first. Yeah, as I said earlier, that everything we hit on the on this software, we, as long as the machine or your laptop or your computer is still on, everything's still there. Okay, and then we got 945. Yeah, 945. Yeah, we got this. Okay, and then subjective norm, of course, still we sustain for all of them. And yes, and then this one, 1 2 3 4 5. I think we still uh and now we have these two. Oh, animosity. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Oh, there's something unusual here. Actually, this is I have to wait a second. Wait a second. We have to go back to this. Oh, sorry. Animosity. Oh, this one should be number 5. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. The matrix. Uh, oh, okay. Number 5. So number 5 is we have done. Yeah, we have done number 5 is it has been removed. Oh, oh, wait a second. Uh, wait a second. So we have this. Yeah, we have this. Wait a second. We try again. We have five indicators. Okay, and then hit OK, and then hit pattern matrix. So we have this one. Yeah, this one. Number 5. Okay, still two components, but the problem is still there. So it means we have to remove number three, and this is the final. But however, look, look, even animosity number four, the fourth indicator should be removed. So this one is the final. So I remove this and change into this. Yeah. As I said earlier, if we have a case like this, it means that this indicator has value, has score of uh, factor loadings less than zero point 0.4. Zero point 0.4, where is it? Where does it come from? If you still remember this, I make it, sorry. From here, I make it zero point 0.4 for the lower, yeah, for the lowest score. So this is the limitation of the limit of validation I decide earlier. All right. So guys, back to this result. For animosity, I only survive these two, yeah. So these two, it means number one and number two, and go back to SPSS, hit scale and reliability. So I have only two still. So this one is very, let me rewrite. Okay, so let me finish my sentence. A construct, a construct can be considered reliable if it has, yeah, if it has 0.7, and this one just there, yeah, just there, 0.7. And then the last one, oh, look at this. We have to, okay, let me start from number one, start 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 9 without 8. We lose number 8. Okay, this one, 2, 9 without 8. All right, and then hit this one, the score. Okay, and then the second dimension. Oh, sorry, I forgot how much the score. Oh, 18. So, students, we finally finished these two data analysis. The first one is reliability validation. validation and reliability tests. Yeah. So see you on my first video. My second video after this. Yeah, after this, I would like to make another video. It is about confirmatory factor analysis using Amos. Yeah. So thank you for watching. See you.